Hey guys, operations time. Get the local over here is going to be heading out. Heading down to Anaheim and, I guess it's Cerritos. Going to be dropping off a few cars over at not Reliable Lumber, what is it? Royal Plywood. I get my two lumber yards mixed up, but yeah, we're heading to Royal Plywood, and then we're going to be dropping off a couple cars over at Shasta Beverage. We got Mr. Sanford up front here on the GP38, and we're taking along Mr. Torres right there. He's going to be helping out too. We're going to ease him back into the layout there. Keep an eye on him. All right, let's get fired up over here. Alright, let's run her out here. We'll grab our cars. They're the ones over there in track one, out in the back. So it looks like we got a total of 5 cars going out. Looks like 3 pickups. Alright, one more car there. We'll hook up and get on out of here. Safety stop. Alright, everything's looking good. Alright, looks like we got a good connection. Let's head on out. Alright, let's see what we got for today's train. Like I said, it looks like 5 cars. Got a couple of box cars here. They're going into Royal Plywood. Actually, 3 of them. And then our fixed up CSX car, if you recall, that's the one that had the bad ladder in it. It was over on the rip track. They got it fixed up for us. That CSX car and the syrup car there, tank car, it's going into Shasta Beverage. Alright, first stop over here. We'll stop over here, let Lamont get off there and change our turnouts. We're going to be going down to the east side. So you can see the two turnouts there. That takes us down to the runaround here. Track on the right, and then we got our incoming spur right there. We'll pick up Mr. Lamont. He ran down there and flipped it over for us. Got a lot of weirdos over here. I see one of them in the woods there. Alright, I think we're going to get all the cars down in here and we'll grab our pickups, do a run around. We got a lot of cars over here though. I don't know if we're going to fit them all. I'm just kind of winging this. We'll see how it goes. Alrighty, right there is good. We'll let Mr. Sanford get off there and block the street for us. So we'll see if we can fit all our cars in here. Still got the tanker over there. Or should I say tank car? Somebody was scolding me for calling it a tank car. Alright, right there's good. Alright, back here on the back end, we dropped off Mr. Torres there. He changed the turnout for us. We're going to go ahead and back it up here a little bit. And I think right there is good. So that gives us enough room here, so we clear our runaround right over here. We'll go ahead and I think disconnect right there. Grab our two pickups right here at Shasta Beverage. These two guys. And then go ahead and do our runaround. Here's one. Go ahead and grab that second one. Alright, I think we're connected up good. Let's go ahead and pull them out. So Lamont switched over our turnout right here. We're going to take it down the runaround there. We'll let him change over the turnout there for us and run back over to Royal Plywood right there. Here we picked up Mr. Torres over here on this end. We'll run down the end here. And Mr. Torres will be doing switching the turnouts over here for us. Alright, so what we're going to do is just go all the way down to the end line here. And right there is good. We'll let Mr. Torres change our turnout right here, and we'll start shoving back. Alright, about 2 cars to go. 2 car lengths. And 20 feet. Looking good. Great. First thing we're going to do is pull all these cars back so we can hop into Royal Plywood. Drop off these 3 box cars right there. We're going to be picking up this one over here. See if we can fit all this in. One more car. Should be just enough. And that'll do. Just enough room right there. Alright guys, hold on a second here. I think we kind of screwed up. And I kind of thought about just ditching this whole video and just doing a different one, but what the heck, you know, sometimes you don't plan it out right and it just doesn't come out right, so you got to deal with it. So what I just figured out here is, because I took an extra car here, that tank car right here, we don't have enough room here, right? If I was, you can see we're down at the end right here, and sorry for swinging around there, but if we go in here and we grab that box car that's going to be coming out of Royal Plywood, we do not have enough room to come out with it, right? So we're going to have to try, I don't know, I'm going to blame the conductors. That's what you get for taking 2 of them. So we're probably going to have to do a couple extra maneuvers here. I figure, what the heck, this is real life, that's how it works, so we're just going to try and make the best of it here. So I think what I'm going to do is take these 3 incoming cars right here. We're going to shove them over here. We'll see if we can fit them all right in there with the outgoing car. We'll put them in there first just so we can go ahead and shove back our tanker here, tank car, tank car, you know what I mean. And the box car right there, 2 box cars that are going into Shasta Beverage. So, alright, Mr. Lamont here, maybe it's his fault, he's new to this side here. He's used to working the other part of the layout here. Alright, I'm ready, Mr. Lamont's ready, Mr. Benjamin's ready, right Mr. Benjamin? There you are. Alright. Let's go ahead and bring these guys in right here. And of course, I see a problem already. Got a blue flag over here. We gotta get rid of that guy. We'll shove right up to it there and then hold, and then we gotta go find the foreman. Have him remove that flag. And we can kind of eyeball this these cars here too, see if they'll fit. I'm not too comfortable. I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's go find the foreman. All right, there, Mr. Sanford got the guy out there and got the blue flag out. We're gonna go ahead and keep shoving up. Grab this guy and then we'll go forward a little bit and see if we can fit them all in. It's going to be a tight one here. Ooh, I don't think so. We might have to, well, we'll try to squeeze in there with them. Alright, right up against the stop right there. And you can see our little yellow marker right there. It's going to be a little tight. I think we're going to try it anyway. Alright, we'll disconnect over here, see if we can shove back past this. Alright, pull them out there, Engineer Rick. Alright, let's see if we can make it through here. Got Torres over here keeping an eye on the squeeze there, see if we fit through. I'm hopeful. Looking good, looking good. So we got just enough space back there. I think we're gonna make it. All right. One problem here averted. I think we didn't quite think out the order of the cars in the yard properly. But that's kind of the fun of the layout anyway. So I decided to just keep it and film it. Sometimes things don't work out exactly as planned. Alright, we get the cars cut loose there. Pull back across the street here and try to salvage this little screw up. But like I was saying, it's sometimes kind of fun just coming out here, so trying different things out, you know, working different industries. And you know, seeing how things work out. All right, I think what I'm going to do here now, we just got to get that guy out of there, this little rail box, and then shove back in with everything. So we're going to come over here instead of heading all the way back up the line there. We'll try to save a little bit of time here. We'll switch that over and head up the incoming spur there. Looks like Lamont and Torres there, trying to figure out who's at fault here for this screw up. So we'll pull all the cars out, including our one pickup. Drop him off on the the main line, and we'll just put our big fat finger right in there instead of splicing videos together. But yeah, sometimes just a little change like that, just one extra car changes the whole dynamics here of the switching operation. I guess that's one of the fun things I like about switching, you know, local switching like this, having all the different industries and different combinations. You know, just any little change, whether you're using one locomotive or two. And, you know, mixing up which industries you're going out with at the same time. All that little stuff just can make a big difference. And it's part of the fun of it. Sometimes you get surprised. Even now, I've been running this thing for like 2 years practically or something. I don't know. And I still get surprised like this. Alright, we got our one pickup there. We'll back him up, drop him off, and then drop off our 3 incoming cars, or drop-offs. Collect up the conductors there. Alright, right there's good. Or I should say, that'll do. Somebody made a comment about my terminology. Well, that's because I'm an IT guy with a toy train set in my garage. I am not an engineer. I am not a conductor. And yeah, I just say what the hell I want to say. I do like watching real world guys, though. There's a couple of them, a couple good ones that are either retired or currently serve in one capacity or another on some railroads, and I try to pick up the terminology from them. But you know, sometimes I fudge it. Alright, I think we can finally get these 3 guys in here. We'll back them up over here and be on our way back home. Alright, we gotta shove back quite a bit right there, because they wanted this boxcar right here to be loaded on the platform. And that 60-footer up there is taking up quite a bit of it. Alright, we'll disconnect here. And pull on out. Grab our one pickup and then get the heck out of here. Right there's good. And Torres and Lamont over there still putzing around. There we go. You gotta slam those couplers sometimes. Alright, I think we're all set. Let's get the guys on board and get the heck out of here. Alright, ready to roll out of here. Well, that was a little interesting operations session, I think. Like I said, it's always something new. You just gotta deal with what you come across. Alright guys, we'll let this guy just run into the yard and then call it a day. Alright guys, Camera's dying on me, so this will be it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, and don't forget to hit all the buttons. You know what to do. I'm rushing in here before my camera dies. We made it. All right, guys, till next time, take care.